In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Microsoft Teams. Whether you're new to the platform or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through each step so you can easily access your Teams workspace and stay connected with your colleagues, classmates, or friends. First, let's head over to the Microsoft Teams website. You can use your preferred web browser such as Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice a sign in button, typically located in the upper right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that button. This is your gateway to getting started on Microsoft Teams, so if you can't find it right away, just take a moment to scan for any navigation menus or use the search function of your browser. Clicking sign in will take you to a new page dedicated to logging in. Now that you've landed on the sign in page, you'll need to enter your Microsoft account credentials. These include your email address and password. Make sure you enter the email address associated with your Microsoft account. This is often a school or work email, but can also be a personal Microsoft account if that's what you're using Teams for. Once you've typed in your email, you will be prompted to enter your password. Type it carefully to avoid any login errors. If by chance you've forgotten your password, Microsoft provides a link to help you recover it so you don't get stuck in the process. With your email and password entered correctly, hit the sign in button, which will take you to the next step in the process. At this point, Microsoft might ask for additional verification, especially if this is the first time you're logging in from a particular device. Common methods for verification include sending a code to your registered phone number or email. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this process. It's an extra layer of security to ensure that your account is safe and secure. Once you've successfully completed these steps, you'll be taken to your Teams dashboard. Here you can access different teams, chat with colleagues, join meetings, and much more. It might take a moment for everything to load, especially if it's your first time logging in, but soon enough you'll have a full view of all your ongoing projects, messages and notifications. And there you have it, a smooth entry into Microsoft Teams. Remember, being familiar with these steps not only allows you to quickly access your workspace, but also empowers you to troubleshoot common issues. Whenever you need, you can revisit these steps for a refresher. Thanks for joining me and see you next time.